Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Social Security online, step by step. First, let's confirm your eligibility. To apply for retirement benefits, you generally need to be at least 61 years and 9 months old. You also need to have earned 40 work credits, which usually means 10 years of employment where you paid Social Security taxes. This online option is available to United States citizens, nationals, and certain qualified non-citizens residing in the United States or its territories. Before you begin your online application, it's crucial to gather all necessary documents. You will need your Social Security card and your original birth certificate. If you were not born in the U.S., have proof of U.S. citizenship or lawful alien status. Also, prepare your W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns from the previous year. Finally, ensure you have your bank's routing and account numbers for direct deposit, as benefits are paid electronically. Now, let's walk through the online application itself. Start by visiting the official Social Security Administration website. You will then create or sign into your personal My Social Security account. This account allows you to save your progress if needed. Proceed to carefully fill out all sections of the application form, providing accurate details about your work history, family, and desired benefit start date. Always review your entire application thoroughly before electronically submitting it. Once you've submitted your application, you'll receive a confirmation number, which is important to keep. The Social Security Administration will then begin reviewing your application. They may contact you if they require any additional information or documents to process your claim. It's important to respond promptly to any requests. Finally, after their review is complete, you will receive a mailed decision regarding your Social Security benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.